Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Reese. I'll be conductor for the day. Before I head to preserve, I have a few quick rules I'd like to go over. First and foremost, please keep your arms and legs inside the trailer at all times. If an animal approaches us while out at the preserve, please not attempt to pet or feed it. At this time, please secure any and all of your personal items. If one of your personal items does fall in the preserve, do not attempt to retrieve it. Instead, notify me when at the train station. I'll do my best to guide.
Look at it. Dude, that's a rhino.
On the right hand side, you're going to be able to see a small tan animal with a black stripe on it. Those guys are known as the Thompson's gazelle. Thompson's gazelle is the most common species of gazelle, and they can reach speeds up to 60 miles per hour. Species of rhino, and it is the only species of rhino that likes to fully submerge itself in water.
That big old rhino. You see the rhino? Wow.
Pygmy hippos try to stay in the water as long as they can to keep their sensitive skin cool. Across from the pygmy hippos over on the right, you'll be able to see a large animal with white stripes. Those guys are known as the greater kudu. Greater kudu is the second largest species of antelope, and they're notoriously hard to creep up on because they're always on high alert. On the left, you'll be able to see a tall gray bird. Those are known as rhea. Rhea are the fourth largest bird in the world, and they can reach speeds up to 35 miles per hour. Coming up on the right, you'll be able to spot some of our orangutans. Orangutans are native to the jungles of Borneo and Sumatra. The wild males live in solidarity. The females create a strong bond with their offspring. Those guys are known as black bucks. The black bucks are given their name to the dominant male change black during certain parts of the season.
They look like elephants on.
Close on the left, you can see our white rhinos. White rhinos are the largest species of rhino. They can charge at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. To 85 pounds of grass.
Wow. See that big old airport?
If you take a look to the right hand side, you'll be able to see our western lowland gorilla. The max weight of one of these gorillas is 462 pounds, and they have the strength of the average NFL player. When these gorillas begin to mature, their backs start to gray, which is where they get the nickname of silverbacks.
Silverbacks. Big old animals over there. See those?
Coming up on the right near that tree, you're going to be able to see a brown animal with curved horns. Those are known as sables. Sables, like many other species of antelope, keep their young separated from the herd for about 2 weeks. Also, they're half a million.
Camera. See the camera? That's a camera.
On the right, you can see our Arabian camels. Camels store fat in their singular home, not water. And this species of camel originated from North America before it spread to parts of Asia and the Middle East. As we return to the station, I'd like to ask you please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Once again, my name is Reese, and I have any further questions.